I was only supposed to stay here for one night, but there was something about this place that made me slow down a little. So instead of rushing to the next destination, I stayed, rested, and explored the area around me. Time to go explore a little bit from my place where I'm staying, or where I was staying for a few days. Because there's so many nice mountain roads around. So today I decided to go and explore more. So we'll see where they lead to. Gonna have my breakfast, lunch and dinner, sort of, and turn back eventually. Maybe gonna get some good shots of surrounding areas. And the maps show that it's gonna be around hour and a half round trip per loop. So we'll see. What I've noticed here is that not too many fruit stalls that I've noticed or seen like elsewhere in the Philippines, where you can get like mangoes, bananas or something like that. And here, maybe I'm missing, but I'm not seeing them, which is weird and surprising. This is one of those situations where when there's no rice, the place looks totally different and kind of more sad-ish, more gray, because when there's rice planted, everything is way more green as always. So now all the fields are harvested, so not too green around. Still pretty, like mountain views and stuff, but with the rice it would be even better. Going up the mountains, so a bunch of twisties ahead. That should be fun. And soon there should be some good views to look at, because the weather is great as well. After gaining some altitude, it should look pretty nice like now. Some stairs, some buildings. Later gonna give some stickers for the fellas, because they look shy, of course. There we go. Not too bad. Nice. Pretty good. And continue the trip and give some stickers away. Just shared some stickers. Shy people. Found the brave one to ask for a picture. And continue my journey. That was a nice view, but I feel like there will be better ones further down the road. Sometimes the best travel days aren't the big moments. Just quiet roads, local places, and taking a break before the next stretch of the journey. Some unsuccessful drone shots. That's fine. There are still maybe more expensive ones are smarter, but decent lower priced ones are still quite dumb. Come on, cement mixer. Nice one. Thank you. Polite driver. Twisties. Here we are, Cafe Anis. As my host told me, the food is really good here. Burgers and stuff, we'll see.
A day spent slowing down usually makes the next adventure even better. And sometimes rest is part of the adventure too.